Hi, welcome to Online Learning. I just wanted to take a few minutes to walk through the Canvas page. I know you guys are very familiar with accessing all the documents on Canvas, but just to make sure, because we are all new to online learning, in Canvas, once you go to our geometry page, the first thing up should be conferences. And so that is where, if you have questions, it's not mandatory, it's just only if you have questions, you can click on the conference and then you'll see, and it'll be by whatever day it is. So here was this morning, and I actually need to go ahead and end that. But if somebody does ask a question, I'm going to be recording that whole session, and then it will post in here. So you can always go back and watch past conferences to see if maybe somebody had the same question as you. And if somebody asks a question, like say on this worksheet, on this question, I'll go ahead and put that in the title and description. So you know if you have that same question, then maybe you can just watch the conference first. So this is just one tool that we have every morning to communicate to one another. And it's just if you have questions, and it is kind of like FaceTime if you want. So like you can share your video with me, I can share my video with you, and then maybe I can help you a little bit easier that way. Again, up to you. As you know, usually everything is posted on the home page. Here is our very first unit called Similarity, and it just so happens we get to start on a very easy unit. So that definitely worked out in our favor. You can see the calendar. And basically, all we're going to do this whole week is this one topic. Again, this is a very easy unit, and we also just kind of wanted to ease into everything so that everyone just gets used to it, because I know you guys have a lot of different classes that may be, taking up more of your time. So we did not want to stress you out. So you can click on these things. These other weeks, I don't have them posted yet, but there will be, just like you're used to, there's videos. Sometimes I'm going to make my own videos. Again, this one just happens to be very simple. I think you guys can handle it. Here's the notes we would have taken in class and the key, and then the worksheets and the key, again, like you're used to. We will also be taking our quizzes and our test through here, and you will see it's right down here. It says weekly daily grade assessment. So this is going to be your grade for the week. So you'll have one grade that goes in the grade book per week. That is a daily grade. And so this is going to be your daily grade. You can actually take this 3 times. Okay, so you can take this 3 times and you'll get the best grade. That will keep the best grade that you get, and then you'll also do a test at the end of the unit. But you guys are, again, you're used to working through Canvas, so that is where everything is going to be posted. Again, the conferences will be in the conferences. The grades, I won't use Canvas to grade things. The grades will be in your regular, your student access. Again, you can always reach me through Remind. You guys know I'm pretty available almost any time of day through that, and I don't mind answering questions. Again, this is new to everyone. So if you have questions, just please ask. If I don't know the answer, I will get the answer. And I hope you guys have a great first day, and I hope everybody is happy and healthy. If you guys need anything, please reach out to the school or your counselor so that we can assist you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.